When it comes to modern home design, lighting plays a pivotal role that extends far beyond functionality. It transforms spaces, creates ambiance, and highlights architectural features, becoming an integral element of a home's overall aesthetic. I'm Tony Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, where we have been designing and building custom homes for over 2 decades. Today I'll be guiding you through the pivotal role that lighting plays in different areas of the home. Let's get started. 1. Exterior home and outdoor lighting. Exterior home lighting serves as the first impression of your home. It highlights textures, materials, and lines, creating a dynamic appearance that changes with the perspective. One unique lighting idea is to wrap the facade of your house in LED strips to enhance its architectural features and add a modern, sleek look. Additionally, LED strips are energy efficient and durable, making them a practical choice for long-term use. Beyond just highlighting your home's exterior, proper lighting can extend your living space into the outdoors, making it usable and inviting even after dark. Landscape lighting highlights features such as trees, sculptures, and water elements, creating focal points and adding depth to the garden design. Additionally, well-placed lights can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for an evening entertaining or relaxing outdoors. 2. Interior lighting, making a statement and enhancing functionality. The stairwell often serves as a focal point in modern home design, and the right lighting fixture can turn it into a dramatic statement piece. A well-chosen chandelier or pendant light can draw the eye upward, emphasizing the height and openness of the space. Whether you opt for a minimalist design or a more elaborate fixture, stairwell lighting can set the tone for the entire home, combining elegance with functionality. Task lighting is essential for specific activities such as reading, cooking, and grooming. Here are some popular applications. First, reading. Adjustable desk lamps and wall-mounted lights can provide focused illumination for reading nooks or home offices. Second, under-shelf and cabinet lighting. LED strips installed under shelves and cabinets create a seamless look while providing necessary light for tasks like cooking and food preparation. Finally, bathroom mirrors. LED strips around bathroom mirrors offer even lighting for grooming tasks, reducing shadows and improving visibility. 3. Ambiance and aesthetic, creating the right mood. Integrating LED strips around the drop ceilings of certain rooms adds a layer of sophistication and ambiance. This indirect lighting technique creates a soft, diffused glow that can be adjusted to suit different moods and occasions. It can also highlight architectural details, define spaces, and add depth to the ceiling design. The bathroom benefits greatly from well-planned lighting. Relaxing, rejuvenating lighting can be achieved with dimmable fixtures, soft LED strips, and strategically placed spotlights. This type of lighting can transform a bathroom into a sanctuary, enhancing the overall spa experience with a soothing, tranquil ambiance. Safety is a crucial aspect of home design, and lighting plays a significant role in ensuring safe navigation throughout the home. Installing LED strips underneath the steps of stairs provides a guide light that enhances visibility and reduces the risk of accidents. This subtle lighting solution is both practical and visually appealing, adding a modern touch to the staircase. Pathway lighting is essential for safe and easy access around the property. It ensures that walkways, driveways, and garden paths are well lit, improving safety and usability after dark. Modern pathway lighting solutions can be both functional and decorative, complementing the landscape design while providing adequate illumination. Lighting in modern custom home design is like jewelry. It is the finishing touch that adds value and beauty. It's not just about installing a couple of light bulbs. It's about transforming spaces, enhancing safety, and adding aesthetic value to your home. At AV Architects and Builders, we ensure that every element of your home works together to create a harmony of function and beauty. Thanks for watching. Check out our Learning Center linked in the description below for more home building tips, tricks, and insights. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.